In old time nights where the lanterns glow, two paws walked close, then the world said no. White to the light, black to the low, one rose, one vanished in shadow.
Yeah. They grew up side by side in a city of prayer. Same roof, same bowl, same midnight stares. The white cat learned shine for the crowd. The black cat learned move soft, never loud. But stories get written by fear on the street.
People see color, forget the heartbeat. A whisper becomes a rule overnight. White means blessing, black means night. Hands up, feel the truth in the baseline. Don't let old superstition steal your spine. Say it with me tighty, 'cause switch the scene, rewrite the night.
Yeah.
Two cats, one fate. We don't judge by the shade. White to the light, black to the shadow. But love don't fade, love don't fade. Two cats, one fate. Let the truth vibrate. Couldn't hear wrong what you're gluing on. Dance it out, set the heart straight.
The white cat got crowned with the lucky name. Diamond eyes, the temple bells, the fame. The black cat slipped through the back street rain. Labeled a sign of loss and pain. But in Thai tradition, cats on one note. Oh, cat book poems describe lucky and unlucky coats. In Thailand also holds a darker feline fear. A black cat like spirit in folklore. Chakla appearing in legend. So here's a twist my song will defend. Shadow isn't evil, sometimes it's a friend. Light without mercy can blind you too. Balance is wisdom through and through. Yo, 2020 steps, I'm done with the hate test. You call it myth, but it's bias in the dress. If the black cat's quiet, don't call it a curse. Maybe it's guarding your house from something worse. White cat flex, camera flash, big stage. Black cat move still hard, calm rage. And the lesson hit hard when the storm lights blew. The one who saved the child was the shadow you flew.
If you lost someone to a rumor's bite, if you've been judged in a single sight, hold my hand.